Hello there. The Vauxhall Corsa D has a secret menu that could be configured to suit your needs. For example, the menu could be configured to add a quick flash option on the indicators, and that's useful if, for example, you only want to indicate briefly when changing lane on the motorway. Right. Let's start by confirming how the indicators work when the quick flash is turned off. As of now, we can move the wand all the way up, like so, and the car will indicate right, as we can see in the instrument cluster down there, and it will continue indicating until we either cancel it manually by moving the wand back to the central position, like so, or until the car's completed its turn and the steering wheel straight. In addition, we can move the wand all the way down, like so, and the car will indicate left, and again it will continue doing that until we cancel it manually via the wand or until the car's straight again. But that's it, that's all we can do. There's no quick flash option. So, let's now enter the secret menu and turn on the quick flash option. And to do that, first insert the ignition key, but don't turn it. Next, simultaneously pull the left indicator wand and the right wiper wand towards you, then hold for a few seconds until you hear a beep. There's the beep, and the secret menu has now appeared on the small screen down there in the instrument cluster. Here's a close-up, and as we can see, it says P1 off. However, the P1 menu option isn't relevant to what we're doing today, so we need to move through the menu. To move through the menu, flick the left wand upwards, and we now have P2 off. Then flick the left wand upwards again. That takes us to P3 off. We now need to turn P3 on, and to do that, flick the right wand upwards, like so, and now, as if by magic, we have P3 on. It's raining. To save that setting, simply pull both wands towards you and hold until you hear that beep, and then you can let go. Okay, the quick flash option has now been turned on, so let's see how it works. So, as before, we can still move the wand all the way up, or indeed all the way down, and get a continuous flash in either direction. That hasn't changed. However, we now of course have the quick flash option too. So, if, for example, we move the wand slightly up rather than all the way, and then let go, we'll get a brief indication to the right, and then it will self-cancel. Okay, so slightly up, brief indication, and then it's self-cancelled. I'll show you that again because it was quick. Slightly up on the wand, brief indication, and it cancelled. And of course, it works the other way as well. So move the wand slightly down rather than all the way. Brief flash left, and then it's self-cancelled. And these brief indications can be useful in many different scenarios, such as changing lane on the motorway. Anyway, that's it. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Car Spy TV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.